Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in AT&T. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To invest in AT&T, start by researching the company and its financial health. Look at the latest earnings reports, dividends, and overall market performance. Next, choose a brokerage platform to buy AT&T shares. Make sure the platform you select has low fees and offers easy access. Create an account if you don't already have one. Verify your identity as required by the platform. Transfer funds into your brokerage account to prepare for buying shares. Once your funds are available, search for AT&T's stock ticker, which is T. Review the current stock price and consider market trends. Decide how many shares you wish to purchase based on your budget. Place a market order to buy AT&T shares at the current price. Alternatively, consider a limit order to buy at a specific price point. After placing your order, confirm that the transaction has been completed. Monitor your investment regularly to assess its performance over time. Stay informed about industry news that could impact AT&T stock. Consider setting a strategy for when to sell or hold your shares. Always keep in mind your long-term investment goals as you navigate your portfolio. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.